Ay, puta. Mali. Ano ba yan? Ang gulo nung ano? Ang gulo nung lane. So anyway, namali tayo ng daan. Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo idadaan ngayon itong oh shit traffic. Ayan, ganyan siya ngayon ka-traffic. So ito, tatry ko lang yung mic niya kung hindi ko kasi maalala kung alin yung naka noise cancellation, kung yung kulay blue ba o yung kulay green. So ito lang yung sample ng sound nito na nakakulay blue yung light niya. At ito naman yung sample na nakakulay green yung light niya. So yung unang sample, parang medyo may naririnig akong background noise. So ito, tingnan natin kung meron. Pero ito nakakulay blue to ngayon. Tapos parang alam ko na, parang yung green nga yung naka noise cancellation. Kasi tingnan nyo pipindutin ko ulit siya para maging green siya. So ito, naririnig nyo ba yung difference niya? Kasi kanina parang na-accidentally napindot ko yung kulay blue without stopping the video. So parang biglang mayroong background noise. So let's see kung anong difference. Ang dali naman itong masira. May crack na agad sa gilid. Pinunasan ko lang yun. Okay, so right now I am using the front camera and I'm using a lights as well. This light I bought from Alcabael, which is like around 12 dirhams. It comes with the tripod, but I'm actually after the lights. So let me show you if there's no light. It's gonna be like this: first level, second level, and third level. So well, for me it's good. Let's see. So what's up guys, 7 PM na. Sobrang init ngayon dito sa kwarto kasi hindi lumalamig yung AC namin. Nagsabi na ako dun sa landlord namin, tapos sabi niya mayroon daw dadating na technician. So hopefully ma-fix niya, sana lumamig. Kasi ilang araw na to, actually hindi lang din namin kino-complain kasi kahit papano malamig yung hangin niya. Kumbaga mahina siya pero malamig. Pero ngayon totally talagang may hangin siya pero hindi na siya malamig. So hindi talaga malamig yung hangin niya. So yan, si EJ nagsabi sa akin uuwi na din ako, kaya hindi ko nasabi agad sa landlord. So hopefully talaga ma-fix kasi summer ngayon, sobrang init talaga. So antayin natin mamaya pag nandito na. Ayun, tinawagan ko ulit yung yung technician 30 minutes ago, kasi sabi niya 30 minutes nandito na siya. So mga tinawagan ko siya actually mga almost 40 minutes ago na. Pero ngayon sabi niya another 20 minutes daw kasi sobrang traffic. So hindi ko alam kung able to take a video of it, but the technician came, and when he opened the AC there was a lot of dust, so that's why the air wasn't going, like it's not reaching as far as it should be. So we cleaned it, and then I think they said something about because I thought that it needs to put gas, but they said it's not needed. So they just, I don't know what they did, but thankfully now the room is cold. It's actually really cold right now. So, but it's cozy and I think we're gonna get a good night's sleep because we're gonna be under the sheets and we're gonna sleep really soundly. And I have my babies here. You can't see them, but believe me when I said I have two cats sitting there. So anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Good night.